All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Each Adventure channel. My name is Josh, and as you can see, today we're doing something a little different, and we're doing it with these little guys. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Alex.
And yours?
Andrew.
These are my little kiddos, and today we're gonna go on a little snowboard adventure. So let's go. How was it making it to the ski lift?
Okay, I did fine.
You did fine?
Yeah, I guess so.
Alex?
Yeah, I guess so.
You guys both did pretty good. We just made it to the ski lift. Figured we'd just skip the magic carpet altogether and go ahead and try our first run here. Hi! You made it pretty far. Hi! Okay, practice. There you go. Edge, use your edge. Put your left hand towards me, towards me, towards me. Oh, you okay? Oh, my knees. There you go, perfect, just like that, just like that. Okay, slide, okay, stop, Alex. Whoa, you all right? Jump your brother. You're all right. Good. Alex, both arms straight down the hill. Alex.
We're stuck on the ski lift right now. Oh, there you go. We were just stuck right now and then started going for a second.
How you doing so far? Good? Have a little bit of trouble?
Yep.
Yeah?
I'm getting better.
Getting better?
Yeah.
Pretty fun though,
I'm still
huh?
learning how to turn, yeah.
I think you guys are doing good. I think both of you are going to do a lot better this time. Yeah?
Yep.
Yep. All right. Let's go for another one. All right. Kids are getting a lot more confident. Let's see how they're doing. There you go. Use your edge. Use the edge. Got it? Remember, shoulders in the direction you want to go. There you go. Oh, that was perfect. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Up, board follows. There you go. There you go. Just control that speed, just like that. Alex, you gotta control that speed. You can make it to the bottom. There you go. Alright. Okay, stop. Oh, sorry. Now use your toe edge. Oh. More. Oh. It's okay. You're doing good. All right, so every time they're doing a little bit better and better. They're like way down here. Awesome, Alex. Awesome. There you go. Perfect. Yes. Yes. Awesome.
I've been getting better. Been getting out the handling and the turning.
What about you?
Same.
All right, you guys ready to head back up?
Yes. Yep.
All right, we just stopped for a break, and now we're gonna head back up. We're gonna try not to fall all the way down, right?
Yeah. Got some Gatorade. Whoa.
Got some Gatorade?
Ready. We have the energy, and now we're gonna hit the slopes again.
What about you? We're gonna try not to fall all the way down?
I'll try, but I don't know if that's gonna work. We might fall once or twice though, at least.
Once or twice? All right, so they're really getting the hang of it now. They're actually up there way ahead of me, and actually seem like they're trying to help each other, which is weird. They fight like the worst brothers fight. It's terrible, but they're almost to the bottom. Check it out. How did you guys get down here so far?
I
Look at the professional snowboarder. All right, give me a high five.
Yeah.
Professional?
Yeah, this one was the best out of all of them, even though I nailed it in one day.
You got snow in your
I know.
goggles right there.
Yeah.
Professional number 2? You guys are both number 1, but you're just 1 and 2. I can tell you apart somehow. High five?
I did fall a few times, but it's better than the other times. The other times I fell like 10, 12 times. This time I fell like 4 or 5 times.
You guys did really good. What are you doing? All right, ready to go again?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
Let's do this.
Is that it? There you go. Yes. Perfect. Oh, hello, Andrew. I fell too. Are you ready? There you go, Alex. Yep, you do it. Yep, come this way. Right in, come this way. There you go, Alex. You're doing perfect too. Just like a leaf. Your edge to stop. Use your edge to stop. All right, we're trying a slightly harder run now. They're doing really good. Just, oh. There you go, you're doing good. Use the edge, use the edge. Perfect. Hey, this is the beginner run, not the professional run. All right, you want to tell us what happened?
Yeah, I got stuck.
So we had a bad run,
Yeah.
followed by a good run. So I think we're gonna do really good this time, right? What do you think?
Okay.
Okay. What do I
That's the
think?
one before.
I think it's good. It's getting sunny. It's a beautiful day here. We're at Bear Mountain Ski Resort. What's been the most fun?
Me nailing this whole hard right side.
You did nail it. What's been the most fun for you?
Not falling down this way.
Not falling down this way.
Yeah.
Go to your feet. Oh, you guys just passed me. Oh, so close. Right at the bottom. How'd it go?
That was amazing.
All right, well, it's getting towards the end of the day. As you can see, it's getting a little cloudy. It's supposed to rain, but we'll see. So, what do you guys think?
Yeah. We just went on the big hill right now, and I think we did pretty good. We had a few falls, but a lot.
Andrew, few falls, but a lot? Yeah? Yeah, so we went all the way to the top, and they did fantastic, I think, for their first time. Yes? Yes?
Yeah. Whenever you're ready. Alright guys, well, we are leaving Bear Mountain. It has been a great day. It is now almost 4:30, and we are exhausted. You guys are exhausted. Huh? You guys exhausted? Yeah.
Yep. Oh man, yeah, we had a great time. I know it's not motorcycle riding, but kids wanted to have a little fun on the channel, and so we came up here to come snowboarding today. Different kind of riding, but still just as adventure-y, in my opinion. So that's it. That's all I got. You guys want to say anything?
I've had a great day. I did hit my head 2 times. It's been a great day. Bye.
I have no comment.
Alright guys, well that's it. That's going to wrap it up. As always, be sure to have fun, take care, and snowboard ride safe, and see you guys in the next one. So until then, make sure you get out there and have adventures of your own, and I will see you guys next time. Later.
Bye.